Alright guys, so it's been over 2 weeks since I've last posted a video. As you probably know, my channel is at least 50% about pyrotechnic stuff, and I've been struggling with getting strikes and stuff like that from YouTube, so I wasn't able to post anything for a couple weeks. But I'm just going to be making a door handle, I guess you could say, just for like a sliding door, out of this piece of 3/8 inch round bar. I don't know, I'd say it's maybe like 8 inches long or something. So let's get into it. Alright guys, I'm just going to buff this off on the wire wheel here. You saw how I tried to square it up and put a twist in it. That didn't go the best. We'll see how it turns out, but yeah. Alright, there we go. It's looking pretty good. Now I just need to drill some holes in the ends so I can mount it. There we go. Got the 2 holes drilled. They're fairly centered. I mean, I didn't measure it or anything, just eyeballed it. Alright guys, there we go, we got it installed. I am aware that there's a ridge right here, and if I were to move it up, it would end up hitting ridges too, so I probably should have made it a little shorter, but I didn't think about that beforehand, so it is what it is. I'd say it's fairly practical and should do its job well. I think it turned out pretty good. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.